Welcome to my review of Hair Restoration BlackRock, the site dedicated to offering solutions for alopecia and hair loss. Today, I'll take you through everything you need to know about their services and user experience. The website offers a variety of hair restoration treatments aimed at those struggling with alopecia or thinning hair. It's an easy-to-navigate platform, which is definitely one of the first things I noticed when I visited. You'll find detailed descriptions of different hair regrowth options, including medications, topical treatments, and even surgery. However, while the website does a good job of presenting information about its services, it can feel a bit overwhelming due to the sheer number of options available. If you're new to hair restoration, you might find it difficult to know where to begin. The site does offer consultations to help guide you, but a more streamlined approach to introducing their treatment would have been helpful. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One of the things I like most about Hair Restoration BlackRock is their commitment to providing personalized treatment plans. When you consult with their specialists, they will assess your specific condition and recommend the best possible approach. That being said, the process can feel a bit slow, as it requires multiple steps, including assessments and consultations, before moving forward with treatment. They do offer free consultations, which is a great perk, but I found that some of their services can be on the pricier side. That said, if you're serious about treating your alopecia or hair loss, this might be worth the investment. They also provide aftercare services to ensure the best results, which is important when undergoing treatments like hair transplants or laser therapy. As for the results, it really depends on the treatment you choose and how consistent you are. From what I've seen from customer reviews, people generally report positive results, though some treatments may take months to show visible progress. It's important to stay patient, as hair restoration is a gradual process. Overall, Hair Restoration BlackRock is a solid choice for those looking for a variety of hair loss treatments. The website offers a lot of helpful information, and the consultations are a good way to ensure you're making an informed decision. If you're ready to tackle your hair loss head-on, this website might be a great resource for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews on services like these.